Let's start apply texture into driveway. This is my driveway. Still it's a box primitive. Convert into editable poly. Alt Q to isolate. What I'm going to do, I'm going to delete unwanted polygon, this underline over there. Then material slate editor, go to view. I'm going to apply the checker pattern which I have created over here and have a look at how it is look. It's not too bad. What I'll do, quickly I apply UVW map. UVW map. Then I change it to box. That's a closest match. Length is a bit stretchy. With the length I can fix it up. Then I think with the height I can fix these edges. Here we go. All looking good. Okay. I'm going to collapse all. Then create a substance for this one. What I'll do, get the substance. Here we go. Double click. I'm going to get, okay, I can load the substance from here. Before that, check it out what kind of substance available for the driveway, pavements. Okay, I can get the pavement 4 or 5. Let's get the pavement 4. Load, texture, pavement 4. Here we go. I'm going to connect my diffuse substance diffuse channel to diffuse channel, the material that I have created. Then right click, assign material to selection. Have a look at it. Show in result. Okay, it's too big. Double click the substance. Change it up to 8 by 8. Tighten up to 8 by 8. Have a look at it. It's good. Render it out. Okay, it's like a fading off. I need to add the color correction node to fix this one. What I could do, find the color correction quickly, add it over here. Okay. My working area is going to be very busy. Hope you guys can see what's happening over here. Okay. This is a color correction node. Double click. Double click and go to advanced, then change it to gamma 0.44. that will give a more realistic color close to the sample. Realistic material with viewport. Here we go. That's pretty good. Then I think Alt Q. With my design, I like to apply the gray color for most of my as a color scheme. I like to go with the gray. What I'll do, so red is not really going with the other colors, therefore I'm going to click my substance. So here, then you can change that pavement color. I can change something to gray. What I'll do, I know I can drag this slider, change it. I got the RGB color chart. Okay, what you can do if you want something like this, you can Google it. Go to the Google and type the RGB color chart. You can find heap. Okay. I'm going to this kind of ash color. 126, 126, 126. The RGB values are 126. What I'll do. I'm going to type the RGB value 126, 126, 126. Press OK. Okay, now I got the nice color. Okay, that's the color that I was chasing for. It's looking good. Okay, you could check it out by clicking substance map and check it up. You can change the mortar size and the random seed. Check it up what you will get. Okay, pavement density, all those available for you to play around. What I'll do, angle hue. What I'll do now, I'm going to create the specular map, specular color, specular map. Go to this specular level, specular channel, just this one. Then I want to create bump, normal. I'm going to connect this one to normal map. I'm going to, oh sorry, that's the wrong channel. It's supposed to go to the normal, not to the bump. Then I can obtain the additional bump with this one. Bump will go to the additional bump. Double click the first node, go to the map and change the bump value somewhere around 50. Have a look at it. You can change realistic material, realistic. Okay. If you can render it, if you render it out, you will see the difference. Even you can create the light, because bump map work to light. Standard. I'm going to create the omni light. Here we go. You can see the bumpiness. Okay. I am happy with this. What I'll do, I can start adding texturing to this foundation. Put this one aside, and again I'm going to get the new material. Before all of that, I need to unwrap the UV for this one. Alt Q to isolate. Pavement. I don't want this polygon which is underlined. I'm going to delete those things. Then apply the checker pattern. Select entire thing and apply the checker pattern. It's not working over here. Then what I'll do, I'm going to apply the UVW map. Here we go. As soon as you apply the UVW map, it's fixed. But I'm going to turn it to box. Then you could change the height. Here we go. Then I'm going to collapse all. Then I go to the foundation. I just create the material. Right click, assign material on a viewport. Assign material to selected object. Sorry. Then again I'll get the substance down. Let's see what is available for me to play around. Let's create the substance sample list. Okay, I'm going to apply this one, Stucco 1. Let's go double click, go to substance. Oh, not the noise, texture. Stucco 1. Here we go. Then what I'll do, I'm going to diffuse color. Go to the diffuse. Then right click, and I'm going to change this color something to gray. Here we go. Right click and assign material selection, show material on a viewport. It's something like that. Alt Q. Okay. You can keep change this one. That's what you're getting. Just render it out. Yeah, it's all good. What you could do, I'm going to tile this one 5 by 5. Now you're getting small stucco happening all over. Check it out. It's looking good. For this one, I'm going to connect to the specular level. And even the material, I'm going to increase the specular level, glossiness. Again, hit the bump. I'm going to add to the normal. I'm not going to get the extra bump. Let's see, even if it is given the adding the 2 bumpiness, I will just delete the layer. Okay, what I'll do, at the moment it's not somehow my metal ray is turned off. I'm going to use the assign media metal ray. Okay, something going wrong. Probably I'll check it up my bitmap performance and a memory option. Check this one, take it off. Now I render. Okay, now it is getting rendered. Somehow it's turned off accidentally. Okay, I'm happy with this one.